Hey travelers, welcome to Sun Absorbed Travel. I'm John, and today we're exploring a travel essential, Airalo eSIMs. Ever struggled with finding local SIM cards or paying high roaming fees? Airalo eSIMs solve that problem. Imagine landing in a new country and instantly connecting to the internet. No more searching for Wi-Fi or paying exorbitant data fees. Airalo offers digital SIM cards for over 200 countries. Here's why it's a game changer. 1. Instant connectivity. Purchase and install your eSIM before you leave home. 2. Global coverage. Works in over 200 destinations. 3. Affordable pricing. No hidden fees. All prepaid. 4. Flexibility. Choose from local, regional, or global plans. Using Airalo is simple. Download the app, select your data package, install your eSIM, and activate it when you're ready. My experience with Airalo has been fantastic in Japan, Italy, and the US. Fast, reliable coverage everywhere. Cost comparison for a 7-day trip to Japan. Airalo, $20 for 5 gigabytes. Traditional roaming, $70. Local SIM, $30. Dr. Jolene says, you can travel to a remote country and have local data within minutes for the price of 2 coffees. Potential drawbacks. Ensure your device is eSIM compatible. And remember, these are data-only plans. Coverage in remote areas may vary. Overall, Airalo is a must-have for any traveler. Click the link in the description to try Airalo and earn $3 in air money with my referral code. Share your experiences in the comments. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more travel tips.